Hey guys, this is ITS Service Savior. Today, another iPhone 7 with audio problem. Take forever to boot. And you see, guys, I took the audio chip. Watch, guys. Whoa! Do you guys see the trace? Third one over. Look. Oh my god. See how it's like moving. Watch. So I'm gonna do the trace. Put the audio chip back. That's it. Wish you guys all the best. Thank you very much. Okay guys, this is ITS again. So this is the audio chip. I use the stencil. I just reball one. Okay. This is my board. The iPhone 7 Plus. Sorry, iPhone 7. Okay. Here, there we are. I did the jumper. You guys see the jumper? This one. Okay. This one. Third one. This is here. From the second transistor to the third pin, I took the jumper and I cleaned my traces. Everything looked good. Just clean it again. And I'm gonna use the same audio chip because they always work, because it look good. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. This is the solution for iPhone 7 booting. And sometimes if you go to sound, you can't record, nobody can hear you. Thank you for watching. Okay guys, this is the phone. I changed the audio chip with a trace. Let's go now. Test, 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 test. Okay, so it's working fine. I just changed the audio chip with only one jumper. I didn't do the 4 jumpers. Thank you guys for watching. For any help, just contact me. If you want, guys, email some phones to fix, let me know. Thank you very much.